The world wakes. We travel, we work, we connect. Behind every moment, there's a quiet foundation. Unnoticed, unseen, vital, feeling safe. Behind the people who keep the world moving, driving, delivering, managing the systems that connect us all, stands Consilium, protecting what matters most. As we move into a more sustainable future, there are new challenges. We must be safer, smarter, more certain than ever. For over a century, Consilium has been here, designing, engineering, and safeguarding the systems that protect lives and investments across the globe, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Consilium, keeping you safe wherever you are in the world.